Hey guys, so on the homework, not worksheet 4A, but worksheet 4, starting with number 3, you're given 4 numbers and you're supposed to write the electron configuration for those 4 numbers. So let's try that together. I'm going to do A with you, and with you I mean you got to work along with me. And then B, I'm going to partially do and let you finish, and then I'm going to let you finish the worksheet and come in tomorrow with questions. Okay, so the 4 quantum numbers that were given for A are 2, 1, 0, and -1/2. And the -1/2 just tells us that it's spinning down. That negative tells us it's spinning down. We already know that. That 2 is n equals 2, and that 1 tells us that we're in the p orbital. So we're at 2p. But we can't be at 2p unless we fill that 2s sublevel first and every sublevel before that. So let's write 2s, 2, because it's full, but we don't know where we are in p. So let's look at m sub l for just a minute. Let's come over here really quick, and I'll stop. Okay, so m sub l, when l is 0, m sub l is also 0. This is in your notes. When l is 1, m sub l can be -1, 0, +1. So when it's 1, it can be anywhere from -1 to +1. When it's 2, it can be from anywhere from -2 to +2. When it's 3, it can be anywhere from -3 to +3. And notice that 1 is the p orbital, 3 different orientations. 2 is the d orbital, 5 different orientations. And 3 is the f orbital, 7 different orientations. Okay? So we are at 1, and we have the possibility of -1, 0, and +1. We're going to write it like this. Let's do this. So m sub l, we're going to write -1, 0, +1. Then we're going to draw circles underneath, and we're going to fill them with electrons. But remember that when you fill the things, the little orbital things, you can only do 1, 2, 3, and then you have to come back 4, 5, 6. This corresponds with 0. It is the electron spinning down. It is the 5th electron, so it should be 2p5. That should be the last, that should be where the electron is, okay? Now, some of us were filling them all and then just counting over 1, 2, 3. It's the 4th one, but it's not. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it were 6, it would be this one, right? Does that make sense? Okay, so we end with 2p5. Let's go to B. Let's do part of that one really quick. So we're given the quantum numbers 4, 2, 0, -1/2. Again, we know it's spinning down because it is -1/2. We have n equals 4, l is 2, so we are in the d sublevel. So we're given d, so we're 4d. But where? So do this again for m sub l. We know we're in the D sublevel. There are 5 different orientations for the D sublevel. Can be anywhere from 2 to +2, -2 to +2. So again, do this. Draw the 5 orbitals and then start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, spin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, spin down. Now count. Where'd you go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one is the 8th. So it should be 4D right here. 8. That's what the last one should be. But you've got to figure out everything that comes before it and write it down. You can take that shortcut with the noble gas. That's fine. But don't forget to write everything else out. And I'll see you tomorrow with questions.